Paul, Golden Gate Enterprises. We have another project. This is in Danville, and what we had is we had kind of a covered porch that came out in the back, stuck out about 6, 7, 8, 9 feet. And what the owners wanted to do here is get rid of that, and then we're going to put in a nice big, about a 400 or 500 square foot deck here, and a nice pergola. So we had to redo the roof eaves over here, pull all this up. We're putting our piers in for the pergola. In this case, they're about 24 inches deep for the brackets. Somewhere over here, the big brackets are here. So these are the big post base that have to go in. And believe it or not, to put up a pergola, if it's pretty much anything over 120 square feet, you end up having to get a permit for it. It's got to be engineered, drawings, and you got to anchor it down and all of that good stuff. So we handle all that, plans, permits, engineering, and we get all this stuff done. So this is Paul, Golden Gate Enterprises, with another construction project, and we'll give you another view of also what we're doing, because it'll be part of the project when we get done. We're taking out this entire driveway. We're putting in beautiful pavers in here, and we're also going to redo the landscaping up front. Pavers are going to come all the way around this tree. We're going to have a nice design. Up front here, we're cutting back everything. Would have had to have seen the before pictures, but this was about 3-4 feet high of ivy that's been growing here for about 20 years, and massive root systems. And unfortunately, it was the best home for rats to breed, and you can see we're having to meticulously pull out all the roots from the ground here. There's a whole truck full of them. We've taken out truckloads, took out all these big bushes in front of the house. We're going to take care of that big guy. So that's what's going on here. And the ivy that was here is, you'll see this in a little bit, the ivy that was over here was something like this here, and all of this is going to come out. You can see all the nice heavy roots. So anyway, we're doing a beautiful landscaping job here, getting rid of all the ivy, and this will all be redone. So this is a nice exterior project, another one by Golden Gate Enterprises, and we'll keep you posted as we kind of go through this. Thanks very much.